The neighborhood hums with tension as Mrs. Johnson steps forward, her determined gaze unifying the worried faces around her. Fear grips hearts as the realization dawns that the missing child may be closer than imagined. Urgency driving their footsteps. Time stands still as the truth unfolds, the child's urgent need for medical attention echoing through the silent night. Creativity sparks a plan as they strategize, determination shining in their eyes as they devise a way to locate the missing child swiftly. Wisdom and experience carve through the dense woods, his leadership a beacon of hope in the daunting darkness. A chilling moment of decision hangs heavy in the air, her resolve tested as the child's life hangs in the balance. Eyes widen in disbelief as the child's identity unravels, a startling revelation shaking the very foundation of their search. Tension coils, unity prevails as they navigate through uncertainty, their collective strength a shield against the unfolding mystery. Bonds forged in adversity, hearts linked by a shared ordeal. The neighborhood emerges stronger, forever changed by the night's events.